New leaks are starting to give us an early look at what Google might be planning for its next flagship smartphone. A recently spotted phone case for the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL has revealed some small, but interesting design changes that could arrive with the upcoming device. Even though it's still months away from the official launch, accessory manufacturers are already preparing for the phone. One case company called Thinborn recently listed a Pixel 11 Pro XL case on its website. The listing included several renders that show how the case will fit around the device. Now, this might seem like a small detail, but phone case manufacturers usually receive official dimensions and design information months in advance. They need this data early so they can design their cases and adjust their production equipment before the phone launches. Because of that, these early case renders often give us hints about upcoming smartphone designs. From the images of the Thinborn case, one of the first things that stands out is the camera cutout on the back. The opening appears wider than before, which suggests that the camera bar on the Pixel 11 Pro XL could be slightly larger. However, there is another interesting detail. The lip around the camera area on the case appears to be less pronounced than before. This could indicate that Google is working on a thinner rear camera module for the new phone. If that turns out to be true, it would mean the camera bar might not stick out as much as it does on some current Pixel devices. Google first introduced the famous camera bar design with the Google Pixel 6 Pro back in 2021. At the time, the design looked very different from most other smartphones on the market. Instead of placing the cameras in a small corner module, Google stretched the camera system across the entire back of the phone in a horizontal bar. That design quickly became a signature look for Pixel devices. Over the years, however, Google has slowly changed the shape and style of that camera bar. The new case renders suggest that the camera bar on the Pixel 11 Pro XL could be moving closer to a rectangular shape again, somewhat similar to the design used on the Pixel 6 Pro. If that happens, it would be another small evolution of the Pixel's recognizable design. But design is not the only area where the Pixel lineup has evolved since the Pixel 6 generation. One major feature missing from the Pixel 6 Pro was advanced facial recognition. At the time, Google reportedly planned to include a face unlock system, but the feature was removed before the phone officially launched. Later models starting from the Google Pixel 7 through the Google Pixel 10 did introduce face unlock, but the system had some limitations. In particular, it struggled to work well in low light conditions, which made it less reliable compared to other biometric systems. That could change with the Pixel 11 Pro XL. Reports suggest Google is working on something called Project Toscana, which could add infrared sensors to the face recognition system. If that happens, face unlock on the Pixel 11 Pro XL could work more like Face ID used by Apple. Infrared technology allows facial recognition to work even in dark environments, which would make the feature faster and more secure. Another improvement that has already happened in recent Pixel phones is the fingerprint scanner. The Pixel 6 Pro used a relatively slow optical fingerprint sensor, which many users complained about. Newer Pixel models replaced it with a faster ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which reads fingerprints more accurately and works better in different lighting conditions. Connectivity is also expected to improve on the Pixel 11 Pro XL. The Pixel 6 Pro used the Samsung Exynos 5123 modem, which sometimes struggled with network stability and 5G connections. The new Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to use the MediaTek M90 modem. This modem could bring better signal strength and faster data speeds, helping the phone compete with devices like the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, both of which use advanced Qualcomm modems. Another big upgrade could come from the processor. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to run on the Google Tensor G6 chip. This processor will reportedly be built using TSMC's 2nm manufacturing process, making it the most advanced Tensor chip yet. The chip is also expected to use gate, all-around transistor technology, which improves efficiency and reduces power loss. Because of this, the Tensor G6 could deliver 25 to 30% better power efficiency compared to the previous Tensor G5 chip. All of these changes together suggest that the Pixel 11 Pro XL may not look dramatically different at first glance. But under the surface, it could bring several important improvements in performance, connectivity, and security. If the current rumors are correct, Google may officially reveal the Pixel 11 series sometime in August, with pre-orders possibly starting the same day as the announcement and retail availability expected around August 20. Until then, leaks like these case renders are giving us the first small clues about what Google's next flagship phone might look like.